There are huge possibilities for the government to create a joined-up, cohesive energy plan.
We need to be quite brave. Otherwise, how do we hit net zero?
How do we turn aspiration into reality?
At BEAMA, our members manufacture the building blocks of our electricity system for the grid and built environment.
The net zero for us represents great opportunities. How we create the infrastructure to deliver net zero, how to link that through with government aspirations and ambitions.
This energy transition, this decarbonising agenda is absolutely the right thing to do, not just from a net zero perspective, from a health and running cost perspective.
We as an organisation are using a huge amount of recycled material.
It's a key driver for change of behaviour, change of mindset, and everyone is now clear we need to electrify.
Investment is more of a challenge because the signals we're receiving from government, from Ofgem, from the DNOs are very mixed.
The most recent government announcements have put a ripple into the market.
We run the risk of the feast and famine scenario. What's going to happen in 3 years' time? And at the moment, the investment signals say we fall off a cliff. And that's just wrong when we know what investment's required.
You need to see a steady pipeline of investment for the long term in order to guarantee investment in the UK.
Another point I think we've got to make sure that we invest in is in the skills and labour to ensure that we can deliver the infrastructure and the installations that are going to be required.
BEAMA provides a voice for our industry.
I think that voice is heard a lot louder when we operate as a group than we would do ever as an individual business.
From government, we need clarity, consistency and commitment. Set those ambitious targets and give us the tools to meet them.
Rather than pulling back on the strategy, drive it forward.